Hello, this is Ikem and from C7 Online Marketing Masters.com. Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download any video of your choice directly to your PC or your smartphone or your Android device. Okay, be it whatever whatever software you've got, whatever and device you've got. So in this video I'll teach you how you can download videos from the web, from the internet. Okay, it could be YouTube videos, it could be Vimeo, it could be whatever source, whatever video source it is. I'll teach you how you can download that video directly to your PC, directly to your Android device. Okay, so after these tutorials, you wouldn't have to stress yourself streaming a video over and over again. But I'll be teaching you how you can download that particular video to your device. Okay, and also you wouldn't have to through YouTube, you wouldn't have to download to your cloud, okay, on your YouTube. So I'm not teaching you how to download to your cloud, but I'm teaching you how you can access such video directly from your Android device or your PC. Okay, so let us get going. Okay, this video I have over here. Okay, over here it's okay. This is free training how to make money online by Juno Armstrong. Okay, for the records, Juno is a super affiliate, and he he takes one, okay, on a journey also into making money online. All right, so and let's say I want to get this video of Juno directly to my PC. Okay, so the first thing we'll try to do is we try to load up that particular video, YouTube video. And as it's trying to load up, you can see here this link. This is the URL link. So the first thing I'll do, I'll highlight the link, and I'll copy the link. The very first and most important thing is you get the link of the URL video. So you don't really need to um, play the YouTube video before you can be able to do this. The first thing you just do is to do what? Grab the URL link, the YouTube link, and you can pretty much pause the video, and now you go to a website called savefrom.net. You can see it over here, savefrom.net, and the save is SAVE and not SAFE, SAVE, savefrom.net. Okay, and you should open up this page. Okay, you see online video downloader, and it will tell you to paste your video link here inside this Dropbox. You have to paste that link over here, and what happens, it loads up that particular training video, make money online by Juno Armstrong. All right, and you click on the download button, and in a couple of seconds, split minutes, your download should start. All right, so over here you can see that it's downloading that particular video directly into your PC, into my PC. So I can, after here, open up the video of my choice, and you can also do the same and replicate this, and you pretty much okay, have the video directly to your PC or the same to your Android device. All right, so if this video was helpful, I want you to subscribe. I want you to go down to the description of this particular video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is c7onlinemarketingmasters.com, where we handle your tutorials, your reviews, and we take you on a journey to making money online. You can share this video with your friends and your well wishers, okay, if you really want them to grab this wonderful tutorials, okay, into how to download YouTube videos into your PC. All right, until I come your way again, this is Ikem. Stay safe.